We go to question number 3 of your textbook on page number 83. Here, marks in accountancy and marks in statistics are given, and you are asked to find out the coefficient of correlation from the data. Now, here we are having two information, that is marks in accountancy, which is x, and marks in statistics, which is y. So there are two variables. Marks in accounts are given here. You can just see your textbook, and marks in y also are available. Now when you get the total, it comes to 640 and 610, and mean and x bar and y bar are integers. X bar is 64 and y bar is 61. Since the figures are a bit large, we can make use of the shortcut method here, that is UV method. How to proceed on that? Here, let us first work out u. U is equal to x minus a upon c. Now in this question, though the mean is 64, we take the assumed mean a as 65, because 65 is divisible, divisible by 5, and therefore 65 we take as the assumed mean, and 5 is the c. Okay, to change, make the change of scale, 5 is taken. With the 5, if you divide, we can divide all these values by 5. Therefore, 5 is taken as a c here. Then the sum can be done easily. So x minus 65 by 5. X is 60. 60 minus 65 divided by 5. 60 minus 65 is minus 5. Divided by 5 is 5. And therefore, 5 divided by 5 is 1. And therefore, first variable, first u is minus 1. Then next one, 80 minus 65 by 5, which is equal to 3, 15 by 5. Then 50 by 50 minus 65 by 5, we get minus 3. Like that, all the values. We work out next. V is equal to y minus b upon d. Y also we take a round figure 60. B we take as 60. Therefore, y minus 60 we will write, and d is a number which is divisible. Okay, that is, let us take it as 5, and therefore what do we do? Y minus 60 upon 5. Y is 50. 50 minus 60 minus 10 upon 5 is equal to 2. So first value is minus 2. Then we get 75 minus 60 upon 5. 15 by 5, that is 3. Okay, like this we work out the values, and then we do UV. UV we get as 2 u into v, that is 1 into 2, minus 1 into 2 is 2, then 9, 0, 15, 36, 20, 1, 30, 18 and 10, and get the total as 141. Now u squared is equal to 36, then 25, 1, 25, 36, 25. Okay, the value is 178 total. Then v squared, v into v, 2 into 2, minus 2 into minus 2 is 4, then plus 3 into 3 is 9, then 0, 5 into 5, 25, like that we write the values here, and the total is equal to 140. 140 is the total here. Okay. Now we can apply the equation. R equals n sigma uv minus sigma u sigma v upon under root n sigma u squared minus sigma u whole squared into n sigma v squared minus sigma v whole squared. Okay. that is equal to, of course, n is equal to 10 here. So 10 into 141 minus 2 into 2 upon under root 10 into 178 minus 4 into 10 into 140 minus 2 the whole squared under root. And when you work out that, you will get it like this. Then it is further done as 1414 upon 1578.58, which is 0.898, approximately 0.9. So this is the coefficient of correlation in this particular case. So I hope you understood it. You practice sums. This sum, this type of sums can be asked for 5 marks in the board examination. So wish you all the very best. Do it very well.